Why most people stay stuck? Most people live the same year over and over again and call it a life. They set goals, get motivated, then nothing changes. But why? Why do some people achieve massive success while others stay stuck? It comes down to daily habits. The small things you do every single day shape your future. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 daily habits that if followed for just 30 days will completely transform your life. The 1 minute rule. Most people procrastinate on small tasks, but the 1 minute rule eliminates that. If a task takes less than 1 minute, do it immediately. This removes mental clutter and keeps your life organized. Example: answer that text, throw away the trash, make your bed. But this next habit, it rewires your brain for success. The 5 second rule. Ever feel like your brain talks you out of doing something? Waking up early, hitting the gym, starting that project. The 5 second rule stops this self sabotage. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, and move before your brain kills the idea. Backed by psychology, this builds discipline fast. But even discipline is useless without this next habit. The nightly brain dump. Most people can't focus because their minds are full of random thoughts. Solution: write them down every night. Grab a notebook, dump every thought, to dos, worries, ideas. This clears mental space, helping you wake up with laser focus. Example: billionaires like Richard Branson swear by journaling. But this next habit is the cheat code for massive productivity. The MIT rule. The most important task. Instead of endless to-do lists, focus on just one high-impact task per day. This is called the MIT rule. Pick your most important task and finish it before anything else. Example: if you are a student, study first. If you are an entrepreneur, work on a revenue generating task. This ensure daily progress no matter what. But this next habit, it fixes the biggest mistake 90% of people make. The 80-20 rule. Not all effort creates equal result. The 80-20 rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. Successful people identify their high impact 20% and double down on that. Example: instead of grinding for hours, focus on the few actions that drive real result. But even if you follow all this next habit is the real game changer. The no 0 days mindset. The reason most people fail, they quit too soon. But here's the fix: never let a day go by without progress, even if it's just one small step. Example: can't work out, do one push up, too tired to study, read one page. This builds momentum. And the final habit is the most powerful one of all: the power of environment. Your environment shapes your success. If you are surrounded by lazy, negative people, you'll stay stuck. But if you upgrade your environment, success becomes automatic. Example: want to eat healthy, remove junk food. Want to focus, create a distraction free space. Change your habits, change your environment, change your life. Which of these habits will you start today? Comment below. If this video helps, share it with someone who needs it.